Guys, here's a dilemma we faced before I moved back to England. You see the difference here? DCD 795, DCD 796, both brushless, hammer drill. But wait, one's the UK version, 18 volt, and the XR, and here's the American version, 20 volt. And there was a lot of discussion back in the States. Bring the tool, leave the batteries, will the 18 volt work on the 20? Well, guess what? "18 volt, 20 volt drill." Works perfectly well. It's not an 18 volt dressed up as a 20 or anything stupid like that. I'm actually in England using American 20 volt XR, and here we go. We'll put it on a UK 18. There you go. Does work. No problems with it. Been running. I waited to do this video to make sure nothing blew up or chips or anything burns or anything odd like that. Not there's a lot of electronics in there, but they work fine. Everything works great. So you can bring your 20 volt tools to the UK and run them on 18 volt batteries. That's it. Later.